When you come to the end of your time on programme, you must ensure that you have been on programme for at least 12 months, completed all knowledge, skills and behaviours criteria, often known as KSBs, completed any functional skills qualifications required. If you have gained this qualification or equivalent previously, you will not be required to do it again. After you have completed all of these, you are now ready for Gateway. Gateway is a meeting scheduled at the very end of your apprenticeship programme. This will involve you, your manager and your assessor. During this meeting, you will discuss progress made and come to an agreement that you are working at or above the occupational standard and that you are deemed to have completed all aspects of your learning. When all parties are in agreement, you will then be put forward for EPA. During the Gateway, you must provide your completed portfolio of evidence to be submitted. We ask that if you require any reasonable adjustments or if there are any important information you wish us to take into consideration during the EPA process, you let us know at the Gateway meeting. There are two separate elements to the Level 3 Team Leader Supervisor EPA, and these are presentation with question and answer, professional discussion underpinned by portfolio of evidence. Let's take a look at what these elements involve and what you need to prepare for. This presentation will allow you to demonstrate your knowledge, skills and behaviours, and the questions that will follow are there to demonstrate a deeper understanding of the criteria we are looking for. The presentation should provide a summary of your role as a team leader and what you do and how this is relevant to your own role. You will be given your presentation title after Gateway. There are 4 possible options as to what your presentation title can be, and your assessor will go through these with you while on programme. Once the title has been set at Gateway, you have 2 weeks to upload a copy of your completed presentation. This presentation and Q&A will last 50 minutes plus 10% if required. The presentation will typically last for 20 minutes and the questioning will typically last for 30. There will be a minimum of 5 questions asked. This element will take form as a professional discussion. Your independent assessor will select 6 questions to prompt discussion, and they can ask further questions if they deem appropriate to gain more clarification. The professional discussion will last 60 minutes. You and the independent assessor must have copies of the portfolio so that you can both refer to it throughout the professional discussion. Your assessor should go through some mock questions with you in preparation for this assessment. After you have completed all of the elements, you will get an overall result within 10 working days. If you have to resit any element, you must do so within 3 months of the fail notification. Good luck.